I wanted to give you an update on my living room. If you remember, this is what the room looked like in the beginning. The first thing that I did in the space is add an accent wall. If you haven't watched that video, I will place the link at the top so you can go and check it out. And now I have decided on the layout of my furniture. I wanted to have a symmetrical layout where I have 2 cream couches facing each other. I purchased these Stella couches from Z Gallery, which is one of my favorite stores. I absolutely love these couches. They are so plush and very comfortable. And look at how many pillows you get with it. It's way more than enough. Yep, 5 pillows. I was a little worried about the color in the beginning, but the fabric is easy to clean, so I'm not going to worry about it. In between the 2 couches, I decided to add a TV console. The TV console will be a place where I'm going to place some of my decorative items on it. Right now I have the TV on top, but it's going to be placed on the wall. I also purchased a cream wool rug from rugsusa.com. It is 8x11 and has an embossed hexagon pattern throughout, which is really beautiful. I even added a floor lamp to the side of the couch, one of the couches. So I'm planning on adding a small table in front of it, but we will see. So this is what I've done so far in the space, which is a good start. You know, I almost forgot to mention that the other walls were painted white, and I have the wall opposite to the accent wall painted black as well. If you're wondering, those paintings are not going there. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I'm doing now. I want to share like information that I've learned, and Pinterest is a good resource if you are struggling with how to lay out furniture or ways to lay out your existing furniture. You can just type in a search furniture layout and you will get posts and pictures showing you how you can arrange your furniture. In this particular post, it shows how you can arrange your furniture based on what you're trying to accomplish. Whether it is to watch TV, you can have a couch and then 2 chairs beside it and maybe a couple of side tables. Or is it more so for conversation, so you can place a coffee table in the center and then place a couch and chairs around it. Or if you have kids, maybe you want to focus on like a play zone for your children and then place your couch and chairs around it, so the focus is watching the kids play. And here's another layout where you have a couch on one side and then you have 2 chairs on the opposite side, and then maybe you have 2 chairs, you know, on the top and the bottom, and a coffee table. It's kind of similar to my setup, but you just don't have a TV console. But you want to make sure your space can accommodate all of this too. And I can share more tips on that too. So guys, if you want to take a look at this post a little bit more, I will put the link in the description box for you. Next time I want to share my kitchen layout and some of the items that I purchased. Stay tuned. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. Also, let's connect on Instagram. I'm at designsbytresha. I would love to share your work, so tag me. And I'm on Facebook now at I'm Tresha J, where I give commentary on my videos and share other ideas with you.